Hello and welcome back to yet another video of cryptocurrency news highlights and other related stories from Kenya and the rest of Africa. This is BitKE. Stay tuned. Now, the CEO of the Retirement Benefits Authority of Kenya has said that pensions will wait and see how new investments like Bitcoin pan out before considering them. So, during an event organized by Absa Bank, the CEO said that the conservative nature of pensions really limits them from investing in risky assets and therefore will likely be among the last to adopt investing in Bitcoin if at all they eventually do. So make sure you click the link that is provided in the description box to get more information about this story. Now, according to the latest reports, Bitcoin Trade Namibia is processing 80% of its trade volume over the Lightning Network as of April 2021. So all this comes amidst an explosive growth in Q1 2021 of the Lightning Network transaction volumes and opened channels. Now, make sure you check out the Lightning Network node distribution in Africa as of April 2021 by clicking the link that is provided in the description box.